Ever friends will always be through the years eternally, side by side through life's endless chase. Our friendships like forever grace. Oh yeah. This friendship is all we need. Best friends forever, we'll never forget the days of laughter and no regret. In our hearts, it'll always stay, the innocence of that first.
Hi Jing! Congratulations and good luck on your journey. Panibagong phase ng iyong life ito, kasama ang iyong mga anak, at syempre kasama din si Marlon. So sana I wish you all the best, all the blessings, and lagi kayong mag-iingat kasi medyo malayo na kayo sa amin. So syempre miss namin kayo, and ikaw syempre medyo matatagalan yung mga hangouts and chismisa natin and bonding together, pero I hope na sana lagi tayong in touch, magkakaibigan. So ayun lang, if ever may naho-homesick ka or kailangan mo ng kausap, tawagan mo lang kami sa GC and dun na tayo mag-asaran at magkulitan. So I'm happy for you and to your family, and sana pagbalik mo bigyan mo kami ng chocolates, chakars. So ayun lang, so have a safe trip sa inyo and congratulations.
Nakakalungkot, diba? Pero mas nangibabaw yung I'm happy for you and for your family. Siyempre, you'll be able to go to Australia. Siyempre, better opportunities and yung education ng mga bata, welfare ng mga bata. Yan, mahalaga yan. So I'm really, really happy for you. Bon voyage sa inyo. Mag-ingat doon and hopefully someday makapagkita tayo lahat dyan sa Australia, no? And I hope na makahanap ka rin ng work dyan as time goes by. Dito lang kami palagi, call us, gusto mo kausap.